Hello, my friends. I felt the need to do a happy painting today. So I'm going to be using rainbow colors. I've got primary red, cad orange, primary yellow. Oh, what's this one? Cad yellow green hue, cerulean blue, no, manganese blue, and dioxazine purple. I'm using new paints to me, Soho. Still trying to work out the ratios. I'm going to be using a pouring medium that a homemade one that I haven't used in a while. I don't know why, except that it uses polycrylic and it's got quite an odor. So if you use this, be sure to use it in a well-ventilated area. I've got my windows wide open. I'll put the recipe down below in the description. I think this is the last one I did with it, which was quite a while ago. I don't know. I did a video on it, and I love the look of it. Colors remain nice and vivid. The lines were great, and it held the shape of the drizzle, which I find difficult to do with any other medium. It works well with the ready-mix paints, but I haven't found any other medium. Liquitex, glue, water, nothing holds it but this one. So anyway, and while I have this in my hand, if I may make a plug for my website, this can be found on my website. I have almost 100 pieces there. Most of my work is for sale, and I do produce a lot, so I keep it pretty reasonably priced. For example, this one is a 12 by 12, framed in a 1-inch frame, wired, ready to hang, and I believe this one is $70 on my website. And that also, the link can be found below in the description. But thank you for that. And let's get to it. Okay, I'm back. I had to get a cup to pour in. So I've arranged them in rainbow order. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. I'm missing indigo, but this is sufficient. And I'm going to pour in a different way. Instead of just a straight pour, I'm going to pour in the center, but I'm going to just go like this the whole way and see what kind of an effect we get. So let's go for it. Probably starting with the dark, and I'll probably do 2 or 3 layers. I mixed the paint 2 to 1 and then added about a teaspoon of water to get a good consistency. It's still a little on the thick side, but that's how you get the good definition of color. Show you the consistency if I can. Okay. Get at least 2 layers, maybe 3. Yep, 3. It's going to be 3. I don't anticipate doing the drizzle thing afterwards, but who knows? Could happen. I have a lot of videos with that drizzle effect. Some of my very early ones I did a lot, and then I started doing a few more because it's just appealing to people, to me too. Fun to do. One of my videos I give details, about how I, detailed instruction on how I do it. It was one of my more recent videos, so I'm going to reserve just a bit. Need it, I'll have it. So this is, I can't remember if this is the third layer or the fourth even. Third, I believe. And finally, red. And that cup is full. All right. Here we go. So as I said, I'm going to go just back and forth. Keep it in the center and just go back and forth. And hope not to waste all this paint. Probably doing about 4-inch swing back and forth. No silicone. Well, let's see what happens when we tilt. I like this red and green, looks really cool together. It's, it always starts blending the further down you get in the cup, so don't love that, but it may surprise me. Probably should have started tilting the side I liked. Oh, I like that. I'm hoping to preserve that red and green there, so I'm gonna, ooh, that's fun. I'm gonna come down here to this corner. Don't love the center. I might run that right off. No, not the whole thing. Now I'm going to come back to this corner and back to the center with that. Hopefully I can preserve that prettiness. Nope, I lost most of it. Well, it's not bad. I didn't add any white to the mix, and maybe I should have to preserve some of those colors. It's kind of dark. These Soho paints are very vivid, heavily pigmented, so I do like that. I'm just moving it around and around until I'm happy with the compositions. Sometimes I need to set it down to get a good look at it. Kind of a little snake over here. Well, I don't know that I'll be trying that pouring maneuver again. I don't think it looks too much different than a regular ring pour or straight pour, but the results are kind of pretty. These colors, of course, can't really go wrong when you keep them in the rainbow order. Might be able to embellish this somehow. There we go. Yeah, I'm not unhappy with it. Let me know if you come up with different ways to release the paint from the cup. I'm always looking to change it up, you know, do something different. Okay, folks, well, I'm feeling very somber today. It's just such a scary time. I hope you are all safe and healthy and finding some escape in creating art. Take care, my friends. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.